Shall we start? Good afternoon, everyone. You turn on your microphone.
Afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Beam.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Pokemon, don't skip again. Shall we start? Let's start. Let's play a game. First, guess it. The best learning comes through observing things in nature. Okay, what does it mean when you say observing? What is the meaning of the underlined word? Observing. Who can answer?
See.
What, Dream?
See.
See, very
I
good.
think
Clap your hands to Dream, guys. Guys, clap your hands. Okay, next question. Very good. What about you read? Where is Pokemon? Pokemon, you read.
What, teacher?
You read. You read and answer.
My goal is to become a naturalist.
Okay, what does it mean if you say naturalist? Naturalist. Kau jangan naturalist?
No.
Okay, you answer first. What is your answer, Pokemon? What is the meaning of the goal? Goal. Goal. Goal.
Reward.
Reward? Reward? Are you sure?
No. I'm not
Your
sure.
dream. Goal? Goal is your dream. Goal. Goal in your life. What will you become in 20 years? What do you want to be? Your goal. Okay. What about cheer? What is the meaning of the underlined word? Goal. Goal.
Desire.
Desire. Let's
Oh.
see. We will see if Cheer's answer is correct. Oh, very good. Clap your hands to Cheer. Clap. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the meaning of naturalist. In Pasatay, you read in Pasatay? Pang, you read, ani?
ผู้ที่ศึกษาประวัติศาสตร์ธรรมชาติ
Okay, what about goal? You read, Kau Fang? Kau Fang, you read in Pasatay? It's a future desire.
ความปรารถนาในอนาคตของคุณ
Okay, very good. Clap your hands to Kau Fang, guys. Clap your hands. Okay, next one. Okay, 1 point to Dream, 1 point to Cheer. What about next one? You read and answer. Beam, where's Beam? Beam, Panes. Beam.
Teacher.
Huh? Teacher.
Be absent.
Huh?
Be absent today.
No, Beam, Panes. Beam.
Panada.
Okay, Panada is absent today. Okay, so Beam, read and answer. Go, girl. The soldiers. Hoy, Bem. You answer. Huh? The soldiers will do anything to halt. Everybody say halt.
อะไรดี
Halt.
B.
Everybody say halt. You turn on your microphone. Halt. Very good. Okay, what is the meaning of the underlined word halt? Okay, what is your answer? Who can answer? Who is this one? Okay, you answer. Halt. Who can answer? Bim? Bim Panis? Bim? What is the meaning of the underlined word? Halt. Huh?
B.
B. Very good. Clap your hands to Bim. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Halt is meaning stop. Okay. Very good. Next one. Who can read? Kao Fang. Kao Fang. Kao Fang, you read and answer, please. Kao Fang. Kao Fang.
อะไรteacher?
Okay, you read and answer, Kao Fang.
Please wash your free hands outside. They are covered with
Muds. Okay, what is the underlying word? Grubby. Grubby. Okay, everyone say grubby. Grubby.
Grubby. Grubby.
Okay, what is the meaning of grubby? Who can answer? Grubby. Grubby. Who can answer? Who can answer? Dream. What is the meaning of grubby?
Me.
Huh? What is your answer? Pokemon?
Dirty.
Dirty. Very good. Pokemon, did you answer? Pokemon?
Dirty.
Alay? Dirty. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, 1 point to Pokemon, 1 point to Dream, and 1 point to Beam. Okay, next one. Pang. Pang. Oh, Kaupan. Kaupan. Kaupan, why are you late? Okay, Pang. You read and answer.
There are many อะไรต่อที่ชื่อ
Active.
active work in the
Construction.
construction state
teacher.
Right.
Sorry, I'm late.
ใช่
Okay, Pang, what is the meaning of the underlined word active? Kaupan? Kaupan?
อะไร teacher? What teacher?
Why are you late? You just woke up?
No.
No.
Take a bath มา
Okay, Kaupan, you answer. What is the meaning of the underlined word active?
Housing site. Active. There are many. กูเปิดไมค์อยู่
What is your answer?
teacher แป๊บนึง teacher แป๊บนึงรอ teacher รอ
Hurry up, Kaupan.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, I don't know.
Okay, who can answer? Kaupan. Who can answer? What is the meaning of active? Active workers. Work.
Teacher, I know.
Oh, what is your answer?
B.
B. Let's see. Very good, Kaupan. Okay, 1 point to Kaupan. Okay, next one. Very good. Okay, who can answer? Who can read? Pokemon, where are you?
House.
House. Okay, you read.
What?
Hey, Pokemon, hurry up.
The you offer this
Match.
machines
Match.
per screen perfect.
Okay, what is the meaning of the underlined word you? Everybody say you. 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 Matayom. Everyone, you speak. Cao Phang. Cao Phang. You say you. Cao Phang. You. 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 Okay, cheer. What is the meaning of the underlined word you?
A, teacher.
Okay, very good. Color. Clap your hands to cheer. Okay, very good. Cao Phang. Ay, kalimutan. Ano sa man yun? Okay, next one. Next one, who can answer? Where is Beitoy? Beitoy, are you still sleepy? Beitoy? If you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, you read and answer. Next question, Beitoy. Hoy!
I read you.
Doctors have warned against complacency in fighting common disease. Okay, what is the meaning of the underlined word common? Beitoy? What is your answer? Common.
C.
Huh?
C.
Okay, very good. Mutual. Very good, Beitoy. Clap your hands to Beitoy. Beitoy? Clap your hands. Okay, very good. Good job, everyone. Okay, next one. I think this is the last one. Okay, who can answer? Who can answer the question here? Kaupan?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, you read and answer, Kaupan. Come on, come on.
You must adapt ใช่ไหม
Adapt.
to our rules.
Rules.
If
Rules.
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 If you want to get along here.
Okay, what is the underlined word? Adapt. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Adapt. Adapt. What is your answer, Kaupan?
Teacher, I don't know. ไอ้มั่ว ไอ้ตอบมั่วๆได้ไหม I answer B.
B, change. Very good, Kaupan. Okay, 2 points to Kaupan, right? Okay, 2 points. Okay, sorry. Next question. I think this is the last one already. Okay, cheer. 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 Oh, I'm a fireman and a cheerleader. 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 Can you read an answer, please?
They have to stay indoor in a wet rainy day.
Okay. What is the meaning of stay? Stay. Stay.
Remain.
Remain. Let's see. Okay, very good. 2 points to cheer. 2 points. I think the winner is Cheer and Kaupan. Okay, clap your hands to the both of them. Clap your hands, guys. Congratulations. You have a gift. You have a gift from me when you go back to school. Okay? Okay, let's go now to our next topic. Everybody say homonyms.
Homonym.
Homonyms. Very good. Where is Pokemon? Pokemon? Pokemon?
What, teacher?
Okay, you say homonyms.
Homonym.
Very good, Pokemon. Are you ready?
No.
No. Okay. What is the meaning of homonyms? Who can read? Bim? Bim, you read.
Two or more
Words.
words the same spelling or
Pronunciation.
pronunciation
Okay.
different meanings and
Origins.
origin.
Okay. In past, we don't have. I don't have translation in Pasatay. Okay, example. Wave. Everybody say wave. 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 You turn on your camera. Matayom. Wave. Okay. The surfer caught a huge wave in the ocean. Okay. This is an example. Grandma waved goodbye as we left to go home. Okay, this is an example in number 1, wave. Do you know wave? Kau dyan may wave? Any wave? Okay? Okay, what about grandma waved goodbye as we left to go home? What is wave? You show me how to wave. Wave goodbye. You show me how to wave. Anan, very good, Kaupan. Okay, you understand. Okay, next one. What about ring? Ring. We could hear the bell ring far from away. Okay, what is this bell? Bell, bell, bell. Do you know bell? Ting, 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 ring. What about next one? She could not wait to wear her new diamond ring. What is this meaning? Ring? Diamond ring? Do you know this one? Okay. Very good, Betoy. Very good. Good job. Okay, this is a ring. Okay, next one. Watch. He likes to watch movies. Okay. Watching movies in television. Okay, next one. I glance at my watch. What is watch? None. Very good, Beam. Beam, very good. Okay. Okay, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Do you have the example now? Cheer, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to your recitation. It's a graded recitation. So cheer. What did you choose? A homonyms? Do you have examples? Go cheer.
Sure.
Okay, go cheer.
Uh-huh.
Examples of homonyms. Okay, go girl. Example. What about Pang? Are you ready? Pang? No, 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 no. This is your homework. It's a graded recitation. Pang, you go first now. Cheer. Hurry up. Bim, put alay. Okay, who will go first? You search it in Google. Kaupan, do you have?
I don't have.
No, no, I don't have. You search in Google now. I will give you 1 minute. Hurry up.
I don't have phone.
You talk to your brother. You borrow his phone.
No, he's learn.
Kaupan,
อะไร
are you ready now, Betoy? Betoy, are you ready?
Huh?
Teacher
You search in Google now. I will give you 1 minute.
ไอเตย
ว่าเสิร์ช
Huh?
ไอเตยหาได้แล้วบอกเขาด้วย
เสิร์ชอะไรอ่ะ
Homonyms.
ไม่รู้
Give
เลย
me one example of homonyms.
เอกบาร์
Example. And their
หา
meaning.
ค่ะไม่รู้
ฮะ
เขาไม่ได้ให้ความหมายมา
Okay, Cheer, are you ready? Cheerleader, are you ready to rumble? Ay, matayom. Are you ready now? Pang? Okay, Dream, do you have any? Dream, hurry up. What about, who is this one?
I don't know, teacher.
You search now in Google. I will give you 1 minute. Betoy. Do you have any example?
no
No. You search now in Google. Hurry up. Cheer. Are you ready? Are you hurry up now. I will give you 1 minute. Roll. Oh, very good, Bim. Okay, Bim. Can you give me the meaning of that?
ไอแป้งเขามาหาอะไรอะแป้ง
Ah,
คำที่อ่านเหมือนกันอะคำพ้องเสียงอะ
what is the meaning? That's good. It's correct. It's correct. I bet. Okay, very good, Pang. Okay. Okay, I don't understand pasatay. Flower. Okay, you read, Pang. You read your example.
flower and flower teacher
Okay, very good. Okay, Beam. Where's Beam, man? Beam.
Teacher, I have.
Okay, Dream, you wait. Beam. Can we see it?
teacher.
Can we see it? You have to your paper, Beam. Your paper.
teacher
Ah.
ooh an
Okay, you read.
an teacher
Okay, very good. What about Beam? You read. You read your Nan. Okay, you turn on your microphone.
Roll and roll, teacher.
Okay, very good, Beam. What about the others? Very good. Cao Fang. You read, Cao Fang. Very good. You read.
always
Okay, very good, Cao Fang. Cao Pan. Cao Pan, aloy, Mac?
อร่อยเชอยัมมี่
What about
ไปดูที่
Pokemon?
myself
Huh?
I do I cook
Ah, you cook? Very good.
Yeah.
You did not do your homework. Very good. You cook, but you did not do your homework. What? Clap your hands to Kaupan. Betoy, do you have any? Last one, Betoy.
sun and sun
Okay, very good, Betoy. Clap your hands to Betoy. Okay, good job. Where is Pokemon? Pokemon. What is your example there? Do you have any example?
Right กับ light
Okay, what is the meaning of that Pokemon?
เอ่อ
Hmm.
เอ่อ
Hurry up.
I don't know
I don't know. Pokemon always don't know. Always I don't know Pokemon. What about you,
Yeah.
Dream? Dream. Last one, Dream.
เดีย
Last
กับ
one.
เจอ
Huh?
เดียกับเดียแอนเดีย
Okay, very good, Dream. Clap
Nee,
your
nee,
hands,
nee.
Dream, be. Clap your hands, clap. Okay, that is our topic for today, guys. We will see each other tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. Do we have a class tomorrow? We don't have a class. See you on Friday. We will see each other on Friday. Kaupan, get ready your homework on Friday. I will
Okay.
ask you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, everyone. Good job. See you again next on Friday. Bye-bye, guys.
Good night
บ๊ายบายเชื่อ
Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบาย
Good
Good
job.
night teacher
เป็นไงเถอะ
I will send this on our group, huh? I will send this on our
ที
group.
เชอร์ทีเชอร์
Bye-bye. Alay, Mac.
อร่อยมากๆทีเชอร์โซยัมมี่
Okay. Good job, everybody. Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบาย